What makes Deepseek, the new Chinese AI competing with ChatGPT and Gemini, special? Deepseek, the new artificial intelligence model developed in China, has revolutionized the digital world. In a matter of days, it became one of the most downloaded apps in Apple's App Store, attracting the attention of investors and generating a huge impact on the technology industry. Launched on January 20th, this model not only captured the interest of computer enthusiasts, but also set off alarm bells in the global technology sector. Former U.S. President Donald Trump called Deepseek's rise a wake-up call for U.S. companies, warning that they must now focus on competing to win. But what makes Deepseek so special? Its creators claim that it cost only a fraction of what other leading AI companies, such as OpenAI with ChatGPT, have invested. How did they achieve this? By using fewer advanced technology chips. This factor has had a significant impact on the market. In fact, the news caused NVIDIA, the chip manufacturing giant, to lose nearly $600 billion in stock market value in a single day, marking one of the largest drops in U.S. history. In addition, Deepseek's success calls into question the restrictions imposed by Washington to curb China's technological progress, such as the limitation on the export of advanced chips. Despite these measures, Beijing has stepped up its commitment to artificial intelligence, with President Xi Jinping declaring this technology a national priority. China is in the midst of a transition away from its traditional focus on apparel and furniture manufacturing to focus on strategic sectors such as chips, electric cars, and AI. In this context, Deepseek represents a key step in the global technology race. Will Deepseek be the new big competition to ChatGPT and Gemini? Leave us your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on technology and artificial intelligence. What is Deepseek and how is it different from ChatGPT and Gemini? Deepseek is an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot, very similar to ChatGPT. It is currently available for free download from the App Store, where its creators claim it is designed to answer your questions and improve your life efficiently. However, what really stands out about Deepseek is the model that powers it, R1, which has 670 billion parameters. This makes it the largest open-source language model to date, according to Anil Anandthaswamy, author of the book Why Machines Learn. R1 is said to have performance comparable to OpenAI's O1 model, which powers ChatGPT, especially in mathematics, programming, and logical reasoning. But what's most surprising is its low development cost. Its creators claim they build it with only $6 million, a tiny figure compared to the billions spent by AI companies in the United States. How did they achieve this? It's not entirely clear, but there are rumors that Deepseek's founder amassed 100 chips from NVIDIA before their export to China was banned in 2022. It is estimated that he may have gotten as many as 50,000 units, combining them with cheaper chips to develop his powerful model. How does it compare to ChatGPT or Gemini? At first glance, Deepseek works like any other chatbot. You can open the app or its website, ask questions, and receive detailed answers. However, there are some key differences. 1. More structured conversation. Deepseek tends to avoid issuing opinions, even when asked directly. If you ask him about controversial topics, such as politics or brands of soft drinks, he generally begins his response by clarifying that it is a highly subjective topic. 2. No premium subscription. While ChatGPT and Gemini promote paid plans of up to $20 per month to offer more advanced answers, Deepseek remains completely free, albeit with some limitations. 3. Access to updated information, partially. It was trained with data until October 2023, and although its app seems to have access to more recent information, its web version does not. This is reminiscent of the early versions of ChatGPT, probably as a security measure to avoid errors in real-time responses. 4. Fast, but overloaded with users. Currently, its performance has been affected by the large number of people testing it, which could explain some delays in its responses. Will Deepseek be able to compete with ChatGPT and Gemini in the long run? Leave us your thoughts in the comments. Who is behind Deepseek and how has China reacted? Deepseek was founded in December 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, who launched his first AI model the following year. Unlike many AI entrepreneurs in the US, who come from Silicon Valley, Liang has a strong link to the financial world. He is a graduate of Zhejiang University in electronic information engineering and computer science, although his career path has been more closely tied to investment and quantitative trading. Currently, he is CEO of Highflyer, an investment fund that uses artificial intelligence to analyze financial data and make strategic decisions. In 2019, this firm became the first quantitative fund in China to exceed 100 billion yuan in assets. For years, Liang has been pushing the idea that China should stop being just a follower of the United States in artificial intelligence. In a rare interview last year, he stated that the real gap between the two countries is not in years of technological advantage, but in the ability to innovate rather than imitate. When asked why Deepseek surprised Silicon Valley so much, his answer was clear. Because for the first time, they see a Chinese company innovating rather than just following trends. How has China reacted? Deepseek's rapid rise represents a major boost for the Chinese government in its goal to develop technologies that are independent of the West. Although the Communist Party has yet to speak out directly, state media have celebrated the company's success, claiming that Wall Street and Silicon Valley are losing sleep over Deepseek's market breakthrough. According to Marina Zhang, a professor at the University of Technology, Sydney, Deepseek's growth is seen in China as a validation of Innovation 2.0, a new stage in which the country seeks to lead key technology sectors with a younger generation of entrepreneurs. However, he also warns that this sentiment could lead to further technological isolation, which in the long term could have consequences for the development of AI in China. What do you think about DeepSeek's impact on global AI competition? Leave us a comment and subscribe to continue exploring the future of technology. And this way, we would be coming to the end of the video. Tell us in the comments, what did you think about this new application? We want to know your opinion. If you found this content informative, please leave your thumbs up and subscribe, because this way you would be helping us. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we will see you next time.